It's the changing the channel name special. All old references must go.
Good as the real thing, ain't it?
Alright, it's time for outdoor class. The 100,000 subscriber special is wrapping up. Any thoughts? No one's gonna get the jokes. It undermines any serious message it has with its jokes, and undermines any jokes that it has with its serious tone. And how many people who watch this channel are going to get a Gintama reference? And how many people who watch this channel are going to get a reference to an obscure Pokemon short from 7 years ago? The Oppenheimer one might work, but then you go and try and get religious. What's wrong with you? It's garbage. What's taking so long? Trying to qualify for an ad break. Alright, question from pin name, My Soul Needs a Blankie. I don't know what your YouTube channel is. What is the purpose and goal of your YouTube channel? I don't know either. I don't like this. I really don't. I don't know. I'm an odd little YouTuber in that I YouTube so that I can work. I wouldn't make any money at all if it wasn't for ad revenue on videos that are over 5 years old at this point. Videos that are older than most of the people watching them, probably. A whole lot of people have tried a whole lot harder than me to get one of these. They can have it. I mean, most of these videos that I publish don't even get 1,000 views. And I'm supposed to think highly of this. I'm supposed to think highly of myself for this. I know what I want. It's what I've always wanted. So this is your plan? Is that what you really want from me? I don't even know what I want sometimes. A lot of the time. Here.
There's nothing here, and there's nothing to hear. I guess this is what I was looking for the entire time.
I can finally be happy.
I used to think that by publishing videos of railroads, I might get more people like me interested. But I didn't stop to think about one thing. What if it does?
It doesn't take a steam engine to make me happy. It takes being around people who appreciate it.
But seriously, folks, looking back on it all, everywhere that I went because of trains, usually I enjoyed something else a whole lot more. So I probably shouldn't have my channel named after one. It'd be better to have it anything else, really.
I thank the Savior, I thank God. The mountain I walk, the streets go. I see how you save my soul. This wayward son has found his way back home. Picked me up and turned me around. He placed my feet on solid ground. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior, because he healed my heart, he changed my name. You know I'm not the same. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior, I thank God. So when I fight on my knees with my head lifted high. Oh God, the battle belongs to you. Every fear I lay at your feet. I sing through the night. Oh God, the battle belongs to you.
So there's more important things than trains in the world. That doesn't solve my problem. Kind of an interesting problem to have. I have a channel with 100,000 subscribers. What do I do with it? Well, probably what I've been doing, which is publishing what I want, when I want, and whatever I think might make some money here and there. So I still need a new channel name. I need something that perfectly encapsulates my mood on things. And where I think this channel will go.